Hey guys, what's going on? I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's little project, we got a Disston keyhole saw. It's got a patent date of 1877. Cast iron. It's in relatively good shape, other than it being rusted up. So we're gonna dunk it in the Evap-O-Rust, let it sit there a while, pull it out, we'll wire wheel it and get it going. All right, see you in a minute. All right guys, well, straight out of the Evap-O-Rust, it already looks a little bit better. Oof, that's on there, isn't it? I'll grab a pair of pliers. See if I can't loosen this up. Oh, I got some wiggle. I got some wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Let me use my mystery juice here. Sorry for the dysfunctionality of my shop today. I'm in the middle of filming a couple other videos, but we got a break in the heat right now. There it goes. We got a break in the heat right now. So try and get as many of these projects filmed as possible before it gets hot again. All right, look at that. Wow, that Evap-O-Rust worked good. All right, so I'm gonna throw this on a wire wheel, try and get as much of that old Japanning off there as possible. Actually, I'm just gonna throw all of it on the wire wheel. So let me get reset up and we'll get ready for that, okay? Too bad. Now you can get a really good look at that pattern. I still got to get inside here and inside here, but that came out pretty good too. All right, let's get you moved. All right, so the screw and the handle, I'm gonna wax these and then buff them. I'm not gonna put any finish on there. I just want to leave it natural metal. But I still need to get inside here with something. So this wax is a homemade little concoction I came up with myself. Alright guys, the Disston keyhole saw is done. I'm quite happy with it. The cast iron is back to beautiful condition. The blade is almost brand new again. We wire wheeled it. Of course, we soaked it in some Evapo-Rust. We wire wheeled it. I used bluing on the blade. Gives it that nice little color contrast. I think it looks pretty good. The only thing we did for the finish on the handle, we put a bunch of wax on there and we buffed it out. This thing's going to be protected and won't flash rust, anything like that. And I'm quite happy with it. Patent August 20, it's either 6th or 8th, 1877. I think that's awesome. I really do. Like always, guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.